Don't hate me, but I bought something from Newegg, told my buddy about it, and he's like, you idiot, you could have got the same deal buying direct from EVGA. It's a 1600 watt power supply. I've wanted one of these for a very long time, so I'm super excited about it, but I'm sorry, I didn't boycott EVGA as long as everybody else did. I also bought a GPU, so yeah. Oh man, that thing is heavy. This is dangerous. Okay. Content! There we go. That's cool, that has a handle. This is the size of box that I had for the current PSU that's in my computer. It's smaller in every way. Like, it's not even as deep. Oh, that's the PSU. This must be the cables. I'm a professional. I'm not actually a professional. Okay. Clearly not professional at unboxing. This is nice. Good foam packing. Look at this nice cloth. Oh, eco mode switch. Nice. Oh yeah. That's not even a C13 or C14. Normally they use this connection for 20 amp. Got it. Whew, that looks slick. I know power supplies aren't like super sexy, but oh my god. You guys in the comments will have to tell me if my SuperNOVA P2 versus P+, tell me if I got a better power supply than what I already have. Obviously I have more watts. Did you, oh, there's a peel. I like that sound. Why the heck would you get a 1600 watt power supply when you have a 9700K from Intel that only pulls back like 100 to 120 watts, 375, 380 watts for your 3090? Obviously, I don't need 1600 watts. Now, I have a couple reasons for that. Number one, do you remember my Tesla K80? I would like to put that back in my computer for crypto mining. I just want to try it out, okay? I've made like 13 bucks in crypto mining. Now it's like $9 because of the crash, but it's cool. It kept my apartment warm during the winter time. I don't know, it's nerd stuff. I want to stick this back in there because I want the extra GPU power. This is useful for some things, just not anything that I do. It might make for a good YouTube video. I don't know. This might be cool to put in there for like a, I don't know. Second reason for wanting a 1600 watt power supply. These things last for like 12 years. This could carry from PC to PC. So bear with me. I could use this when I eventually get a Threadripper CPU, which is like a 400 watt CPU. Plus 400 watts, that's 800 watts. 300 watts, getting up to like 1100 watts. Plus another 100 watts there. Plus other cards in my computer, such as network cards, HBAs. 1600 watts is the biggest PSU that you can get that can plug into one plug. Don't need 240, which I currently don't have it. I'm rambling now. Let's get it in there. First things first, I'm a realist. Now I gotta turn off this pooter. Hope this works. If I mess this up and I blow up my computer, you guys will never see this video. You might just see a story on Instagram about how mad I am that I switched this out and I messed it up. Something that ought to be said anytime you're swapping out power supplies: don't use old power supply cables. Always use the cables that come with your power supply. The cables are not intercompatible. You could plug the cables into these ports, you could blow up your computer. Fair warning. I've been waiting to do that a long time. I'm one of those people that leaves their peels on forever. Oh, that felt good to take off. One big disadvantage of this desk, it is already full of stuff. I just made a video about building this desk and I really like it. It's not as big as my 4 foot by 8 foot desk. So compromises. Let's get these cables looked at. The last EVGA power supply I had, instead of a nice box, they had all the cables stuffed in a bag. These ones have little Velcro cable ties. SATA cables, your main motherboard cable. So these are all like the cables that you would need. That's nicely put on top. Looks like CPU and GPU cables and more GPU cables. It is 15 amp. What is the gauge on this cable? 14 gauge, I guess, is high for an IEC cable. The shielding is definitely a lot beefier to make it feel like it's a quality cable. C13s are only rated for 10 amps, so I guess they can't get away with a C13. SATA and Molex. Very cool. Oh, what is that? There's a little shield for your, I don't know. I don't know enough about computers to know what that is. Put these away for now. Which way does this go? This goes this way. Good packaging. Very sturdy. Trying to not mix up the cables because I really don't want to blow up my computer. Don't think I'm gonna ever do a computer with full tempered glass side panels ever again. Every time I want to get into the computer, it's a pain. I guess if I wasn't a nerd, it wouldn't be such a hassle. I'm just complaining at this point. We gotta get these cables out of here. Oh, yeah. It's a little bit dusty. Very happy with this power supply. Excited about the upgrade. CPU cable. Oh, Lord. There we go. Snack. Why did you have two CPU cables, Will? Because one of them went in the K80 and I didn't take it out. This is the Corsair X570. I was super excited about it. Told Maddie that we would pick a case together, and then I totally was like, no, I want this case. Corsair's pretty good about making their cases easy to build in. This is my cable management for this case, but the PSU cables were so thick that this was completely useless. Very nice. I'm thinking run the cables first and stick the PSU in last. Let's try it. One thing I've noticed about this PSU is that the fan is extremely loud. My computer has no other fans running. Not even the GPU fan is running, even though I'm in DaVinci Resolve. Can you hear this? Freaking loud. Good news though. Eco mode. Switch it to on, fan turns off. And it's pretty much silent. I'll have to do some more research as far as what eco mode means. Do I get less wattage? Maybe 80% of what the PSU can provide. I still have plenty of wattage left for the amount of wattage I need for my 9700K and my 3090. Should be fine. Very happy with it. Been editing for a couple weeks, no problems, so that's good. I mean, it's a PSU, so there's not much to it. Bye.